Namaste friends, welcome to RH Chemistry. In today's video, I am going to explain how to use this NTA Abhyas app more effectively to take the mock test in that particular app so that definitely it will enhance your marks in the exam. So from the first step I will tell you, first you have to go to the Play Store. So just you type NTA Abhyas app, so it will show you like this. Then just you download that particular app. Already I have downloaded here. Yes, I will go for that. So after downloading this app, just if you click on that, it will show you sign up page. So login and sign up will be there, but first you have to sign up to that particular app by putting your mobile number or it's a very simple steps, mobile number or email also you can put. First you have to sign up, then you have to set the password for this particular app, then you have to log in. Fine. After logging, remember it will show you like this, National Test Abhyas. Then you can see in this particular case, the active internet should be there. Like this it will show you. Then remember here, in this particular arrow mark, whatever you are seeing here, arrow mark you are seeing. So just you click on that, it will show you options like JEE Main, JEE Main Paper 2 and NEET. Here I have clicked on NEET. So JEE Main Paper 2 is nothing but planning, that is BR, what you can call it as architecture planning test it is. This also you can attempt. Only 8 tests have been uploaded in this particular case. So JEE Main app you can see 97 tests are there, and in NEET also 96 tests are there because one already have attempted. So 96 tests are there or 97 tests are there. Fine. So these many tests are enough to check your knowledge, and also remember you can learn the time management in this particular case, right? So before going to attempt these tests, remember you have to have a 3-hour duration time. It is just like an annual exam if you feel. So 3 hours duration you have to have. Fine. First I will consider NEET, and I will show you in NEET, and the same type in the JEE also you can attempt. The same steps will be there. Then how to use this? See, first you have to click on that. It will show you like this, and whatever the arrow mark you are showing, you are seeing here. So just you download that particular test number 97 for example. So already here I have downloaded 93, 92 like that. So I will show you with 93. Just you click on that, right? Your test will be ready as soon as possible. So do's and don'ts it is there. Please read if you are starting for the test for the first time. Remember, if you are attempting, then read all those things, do's and don'ts, everything. Then you put continue. Then you can see 180 minutes you have to take 45 questions from each physics and chemistry and 90 from biology. Everything it is there. No deduction from the total score will be made if no response is indicated, right? So then I am ready to begin. You have to put I am ready to begin. Fine. And the very best part of this app is that, remember, automatically it will show you, you need to switch on aeroplane mode. You need to switch off Wi-Fi and you need to switch on aeroplane mode. It will show you like this. So first you have to do that one, right? So first what I will do, so I will close that Wi-Fi and aeroplane mode I will open, right? Right. Now I am ready to begin. Yes. Now aeroplane mode in my mobile is in aeroplane mode. About to start. Fine. So here you can see physics, chemistry, biology. So you can click on the each subject, which subject you want to attempt for the first. So initially you can do that. So physics I will take first. Now you can see here, I don't know about these things, but for only the demo class it is, right? Demo video. Hence I will click any one of them. Here I have clicked, right? So I will save and next I will put, right? Here whatever you can see, save and next, whatever we are seeing here. So you just click on that. Here I will put C randomly. Here I will put D. Here I will put A. Next I will go to chemistry. So here also I am not doing the calculation everything here. Just I will put A. Then save and next. Then here I will put B. You can change your answer also. Here I will put C and here I will put D. I am not reading the question. So randomly I am putting here. So here in the biology, so A first question, then D first second question, then B, then C I will put. So after this, like this you finish the test. Then whatever submit button you are seeing above submit button, whatever you are seeing here, just you click on that submit button. Right? See, you cannot edit your response when you are finished. It will show you like this. So if you don't want to submit if you don't want to submit this, remember, again you can go back and you can change your answer. Right? Fine. It will show you this timing also. You can see it will show you the timing also. It's a very important part of this particular app. It's just like the annual exam, remember. So fine, I will put it submit. Right? Submit. Now you can see view feedback. So to view the feedback, remember, please connect to internet to submit test and view your score and analysis. It is there. Correct? So to view this feedback, remember, I have to open this particular Wi-Fi, off this aeroplane mode and off open this Wi-Fi or mobile internet if you have, that is. So view feedback, you can see your test data is clear. Now you can say advanced test feedback. This is the best part of this particular app. Here you will come to know which all the questions are wrong, which is the correct answer. For that correct answer, what all the or for the wrong answer, which is correct one, all those explanations. Here you can see question wise analysis, it is there, subject wise time spent, it is there, subject wise score, it is there, everything it is there. You can see 11 answered, 3 not answered, so answered and marked for review. See, all these things you can see it here. Right? Now what I will do, see, just I will show you here. See, subject wise time spent also you can see here. See, 0.68 minutes it is. So for physics, then chemistry 0.32, 0.94, 0.71, that is unattempted. So like this it will show you. Then you go back. Right? So question wise analysis we'll see. This you have to do it by taking another next 1 hour time. So always remember, don't take these tests without the preparation, or you can say without the time. So if you don't have 3 hours time to do this, please don't take this particular test. Fine. Question wise analysis we will see. See, very nicely it is given, question wise analysis. Here you can see first 5 questions, then you can see 4 questions chemistry, and here biology also you can see. Now for example, I will go to first question here, physics. See, first question I will show you, your answer is A. I have marked A, but the correct answer is which one? D. Then the explanation also it is, there is a better part of this particular app. Very nicely it is arranged. See, they have given the explanation also. After the explanation, remember, they have explained key concepts also. What is binding energy? What is nuclear binding energy? What is the formula for binding energy? Everything it is explained with the graph, everything, remember. So like this. Next question if you see, second question you can see A, and my assumption is very wrong. My answer is C, and here it is given A. Fine. Once again they have given explanation comparing the given equation, everything. See, nicely they have explained each and everything. Right? See, everywhere there will be some negative and there will be some positive, because some of the students have given the feedback on this NTA Abhyas app is that, so there are so many questions which I have taken from the previous year. Right? So that is also very, very important, my dear students. Remember, previous year questions also you have to solve, and automatically they have taken from those also. But the thing is, remember, if you want to find out the negatives, then you can find thousands of negatives. But if you have mindset to see only positive, you can see so many positive in this particular app also. Now you can see third question, see. So D is the correct answer, and my answer is also correct. Without knowing this answer, I have corrected this. Fine. My assumption is good. Right? So like this. Now I'll go back to the chemistry. So chemistry, see, first question chemistry can see. So correct answer, and my answer is also correct. So see, answer is given. Then Rydberg's formula, everything explanation is given. Solved examples, some of the solved examples are also given. You can practice with these examples also. Next question you can say, single choice question. My answer is B, but the answer is C, correct answer. But explanation is given with the structure. Remember, key concept, Lewis dot structure, how to write, what is the rule, everything it is given very neatly. The next question you can see, which of the following cannot be used? So correct answer is B, but I have marked C here. So it is not the meaning that I don't know chemistry, but it is the demo video. So I done it very randomly. So everything explanation is given. Then you can see a fourth question. See, not only the questions you have attempted, the question which you have not attempted also you can see here. 25th question I have not attempted in the physics. So see, 25th question, correct answer they have given. Explanation also they have given. See what is torque, explanation is given very nicely, right? So you can see here. For anything, for biology also you can see. So biology 30th question I will put. So the human sperm, neck nerve refers to, see everything it is given explanation, right? So 68th question you can see the what proportion of individuals will have the genotype. So all this explanation you can see here it is given. So like this, remember, you can learn so many things from this particular app. So my suggestion is, remember, at least daily you can attempt at least one test in a day. You can learn so many things, right? So not necessary to go for any other mock test. Remember, this is the best test, that to remember for initial stages, whatever the question paper they have prepared. So initial stages means I will show you like this, remember. So first 10 or 15 question paper, what you can see here, in those question paper not that much good level questions were there, right? So but after that, what is my observation is that from 50, 60, this 40th question, see, so 40, 60, 80, 90, nowadays whatever the question paper they have uploading, definitely they are putting some good questions, and also which is having some previous year questions and some definitely the concepts wise the very good questions they have considered. And another important thing is, remember, in all the tests you cannot see what you can say exact blueprint of the question paper, right? Which means from first PUC these many questions, second PUC these many questions, randomly they have picked some questions. But my suggestion is, remember, whatever it may be, this will teach you how to manage your time, 3 hours duration in the exam, and after that each and every question it will give you analysis, and also your marks that will give you perfectly with the negative marking, everything, remember. So that is why this particular app is very good for your preparation. My suggestion is, please go through this app. If you feel better, you can use this app for the mock test. Still you have up to September 13th NEET exam, so definitely you can use this app to the maximum extent. I hope this video helped you. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.